Speaking on the budget, my opposition might frame me as a saffronized mind, but I say Honorable Finance Minister have prepared and presented balanced forwarded approach budget taking care of the economy and finances. We all want our state to be strong and to be resilient, leveraging technology and reforms in better policies. Speaking the truth to power, increasing budget by 16% is a sign of good governance and a developing state. Sir, PWD have done a great job in building roads and bridges compared to the previous government. But sir, in future, we will face many challenges in water resource, in crisis of water, especially in the hilly areas. The water level has gone so much down that we need to be prepared for surface water. Not only that, the soil erosion, the landslide by the river bank, that is also will be a biggest challenge for us. The rivers, the climate change, because of climate change, there are more landslides now. So, as a government, let's focus on that and be prepared for it too. My observation at TTADC budget, the fund flow, why not we as a government increase the share of taxes of TTADC? Why not the 5th State Finance Commission, the RD Panchayat, why only 5%? Why not we increase? Because the budget allocated for TTADC, we all know that it's not sufficient. It is growing, it is increasing. That is much appreciable. It's a sign of a good governance, again I'm saying. Because the salary, including deputed staff, including general administration, including TTADC own staff, to run a district council with around 23 departments, with more than 1,600 schools, the allocated budget is not sufficient, and as a government, we should focus on increasing the state share of taxes, be it in the form, be it the royalty of forests, be it the royalty of roads, be it the royalty of gas. But we should increase the state share of taxes. And I thank the administration for the extension and expansion of Tripura Bhavan across the country. It's appreciable that we are building more Tripura Bhavans. But my observation, our students, those who are studying outside, especially in Delhi, they have faced problem because there is no community hall or auditorium hall. So they book in other state hall, which is costing them more than 60,000, 70,000, 80,000. So our Tripura should also build a community hall or auditorium hall in capital state Delhi. Sir, I thank the administration for taking initiative to fill up the assistant professor post, that is 201, and the principal post 13. I believe this recruitment will fulfill the shortage of professors for agricultural science, for biology, for Kokborok, and other departments as well. Not only assistant professors, we should also recruit all the eligible teachers, graduate teachers, postgraduate teachers, TAT, and music teachers. That way we can overcome the unemployment rate. Sir, our state CHOs, community health officers, and those are working under NHM, like adolescent officers. All those counselors and all, they're working as a contractual. I also appeal the department, the health department, to regularize. In spite of 6-7 years of service, they are not regularized yet. So let's make a policy. Let's regularize them. Let's give them the current grade pay and also include them in the national pension scheme. Because Ministry of Health and Family Welfare have already recommended for regularization in 2022. Other states like MP, Madhya Pradesh, Mizoram, Sikkim and Manipur, they already have regularized this CHOs and NHM, I guess so. And talking about the IT in the state, government have taken so much of initiative. We appreciate that. We are very much thankful of the IT department. Let's also focus on startups, high potential startups, entrepreneurs, renewable energies and aspirants. And also, let's strict our IT Act in the state. This generation is consuming misinformation so much. Someone from other state comes, they take the video of the area of the place which is prohibited and they put misinformation on social media. They call it Pasra instead of Rignai. So this is going out in a wrong message. So our IT Act should be very strong. Let's all together work on this. Last but not the least, an important topic. Cockborough in Roman script. Sir, opting Roman script is a matter of convenience and practical choice of our student. Let's not gossip about inclusion in the age schedule for now. Let's not politicize with our students' future. Let's be practical and keep it very simple. I believe the state has enough resources and mechanism to do it. Let's print the textbook in Roman script. Let's print the question papers in Roman script. It's as simple as that. Including Cockborough, including Roman script in 8th schedule. We'll think of it later. But for now, let's not compromise with the students' future. Sir, whether I remain MLA or not in the future, but I see my state, I want my state as an economically strong, as a culturally developed, a Viksit, responsible and robust state. Let's build an unshakable reputation. Thank you so much.